again.
Whoa!
Oh, that was close.
Hi guys, it's Tabitha and my son Slater. Today we're going to be giving you a look at this really fun fart gun. So let's get it opened up and get it set up real quick and we'll see how it does. So you've got the liquid that goes inside, the charger for the battery, the rechargeable battery, and instructions, plus a little screwdriver to get the battery put in. So the battery is going to go right here on the back. We're just going to get that popped in really quick. All right, that's good to go. And we're just going to wrap that around. All right, so now that the battery's put in, it comes right out of the box with a little bit of the scent oil in there. So we're just going to top it off with a few drops. You want to make sure not to overfill it. It comes with stinky durian smell or stinky cheese smell. What do you want? So it just goes right up here on the top. We're gonna go 1, 2, all right, do one more drop. 3. This is like a legit fart gun right now. All right, so we've got the battery inserted in the back. We've added a little bit extra stinky smell. You've got to press the charge button for 6 seconds or maybe just a couple of times, and then it will be ready to shoot. Okay. All right, go. Shoot. Shoot. Whoa, it looks so awesome. Shoot. Shoot. Oh my goodness, it's so fast. These are amazing. Okay, wow. I might need to turn the lights down. All right, 1 second. This one does so good. If you give it a few seconds between each blast, it's going to give you stronger rings. My son absolutely loves it. He thinks it's hilarious. It's an entire production between the lights, sounds, and obviously the fog rings. So if your kids are entertained by silly sensory toys, they are going to be sure to love this.
Game over.